Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Moomoo to TradingView. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in TradingView to start the connection process with Moomoo, so you can manage trades directly from your charts. Start by opening your web browser and heading to tradingview.com. TradingView is a powerful charting platform, and the connection to supported brokers happens from within its chart workspace. Once the homepage loads, look along the very top navigation bar for the Products menu. This is where TradingView organizes its main tools and features. Hover your mouse over Products to reveal the dropdown. From the list, choose Supercharts. This opens TradingView's full charting interface, which is the place you'll use to view markets, draw on charts, and later access broker connections. Give the page a moment to load. It should display a large chart area with toolbars on the sides and menus along the top. In the Supercharts workspace, shift your attention to the upper right area of the screen. You're looking for the Trade Control. This is TradingView's entry point for broker integration. If your window is small, you might need to maximize the browser or zoom out slightly to see it clearly, as some controls can collapse on smaller screens. Click Trade. A panel or menu will appear showing broker options. To make sure you see every available provider, select Show All Brokers. This expands the full list rather than just the featured ones, which is helpful if the broker you want isn't immediately visible. From the list, find Moomoo and click it. Selecting Moomoo will bring up its connection tile with a brief description and an action button. Here. Click. Connect. This hands the process over to TradingView's secure connection flow for Moomoo. At this point, TradingView will guide the rest, and any prompts you see are part of the broker's standard connection steps. Keep the TradingView tab open while it completes the handoff. A few quick tips as you go. If you don't see the trade button or broker list, make sure you're in the Supercharts view and that the page is fully loaded. The availability of brokers can vary by region and account type. So if Moomoo doesn't appear, it may be due to geographic restrictions or current support status. Also, some features work best on desktop browsers, so using a computer can provide the smoothest experience. That's it. You've navigated from the TradingView homepage to Supercharts, opened the trade panel, revealed all brokers, selected Moomoo, and clicked Connect. Thanks for following along, and enjoy analyzing and trading with your charts and broker in one place.